Hello, Infantile 3. How are you? Good? Nice. Today we are going to do a very easy and nice activity, okay? Remember that we saw about the colors, the primary colors and the secondary colors? There you go. Look at here. We have 3 squares in each line, okay? You're gonna have to mix the primary colors to see what color we are gonna come in next, okay? For example, I'm gonna pick up the red. So I'm gonna color here in red, okay? Then I am gonna color with a blue. What color do we have when we mix red and blue? What did you say? There you go, perfect. We have the purple. Okay? Then, right down, you're gonna mix red again. What is the other primary color? Yellow. Good. What color do you have when you mix red and yellow? There you go. Do the experiment and color it here, okay? The next one, we are gonna mix blue with yellow. Perfect. Mix and see what color you're gonna get, okay? You can color with ink, crayon, colored pencil. It is up to you, okay? Okay guys, see you later, have fun. Bye-bye.